Okay, so today I am working on replacing the turn signal housings on my 97 Corvette. I was putting these kind of blackout ones on. My factory ones are really cracked up, and honestly I probably would have just restored these if they didn't have all these cracks in them. Both of them are really nasty. This one actually is separated at the corner here. So I bought these. They're they're definitely from China, but they look pretty good on there. So the reason I'm making a video about this, there's lots of other videos out there and I watched them all, but I wanted to kind of show you what I did, because these are a real pain to get out. There's a bolt that goes in right here on the corner, and it's nearly impossible to get to. I tried using the methods that I saw on YouTube, and it took me longer to do that one side over there than it did to actually do the brake job on this car. So everybody was telling me to push the light in to access this through the side with a ratchet or an open-ended wrench, and here's what I ended up doing. So there's an air duct right below it that feeds the brakes. I just put my hand in there and then I pushed it down, and then with a ratchet, like a socket set, with an extension or two, I got right to the bottom. I got this light out in like seriously 3 minutes. So I would say push this down right here to access that bolt, and then it makes this job a heck of a lot easier. So anyway, I hope it's helpful. Good luck.